Today in this video, we'll see how to create an Apple ID account from the mobile. First, go to the App Store, then click on the profile icon, then click on create new account, then enter the details here. So once you do that, click on next and also fill the details here. Then click on none here because we don't want to put a credit card. Then fill the details, click on done. Then verify your phone number and put the code. Then you will be signing in the cloud. Enter the phone password. Then your Apple ID is created. Click on done and you are signed in. I hope you like the video. You have learned something. If you have learned something, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel for more educational tips like this. And thank you for watching the video once again. Bye.